Hello everyone, Big Money here with a new video. I'm publishing this ahead of schedule before all the others because I found this deal which is just too good not to share as soon as possible. A new version of the Architect Algo is out and the improvement in efficiency and accuracy is insane. So much so that I would even let it run on a lower budget without worrying about the account blowing up. Running version 4 on Ultima Market, which provides a 50% extra margin on the first deposit, this is an absolute banger of a combination with a massive potential to kickstart a long-term automated trading account. Not long ago, I published a video about version 3 of the Architect Algo, which was already showing massive potential by implementing an effective AI trade confirmation module. A couple weeks after that, version 4 was published with even better accuracy and confidence with opening positions. The new algo is so effective that it doesn't go into deep drawdowns or produce big baskets by the logic of the grid. Instead, it either stays away from opening a trade or, if already in one, advises to wait with adding new positions until the market changes to a more favorable direction. In the end, this means less trades but more accurate ones and eventually a lower drawdown on positions compared to the previous versions. Now the question is, what opportunities does it open for users? The first and most important aspect, in my opinion, is the level of entry budget that is necessary to start the Architect. In the past, you needed roughly $5,000 of starting capital to get in, and even then you would have been on edge with the risk of getting big baskets and hitting stop losses. Now, with the confidence levels that we have with version 4, in my opinion, you can start running the Architect even with a $1,000 starter budget. With 1K, you can apply the Architect's trading algorithms on many different currency pairs and just let them do their thing. The caveat is, of course, is that if you add so many pairs, you can still get a combined drawdown in double digits. So if many trades are running in the same time and the market goes against them, could this potentially blow your entire account? Well, given the results I see so far, there is no major risk of a full liquidation. However, no major risk doesn't mean that the risk is insignificant, and this is where the bonus promotion of Ultima Markets provides the perfect cushion for the account. With every new registration, Ultima Markets offers a 50% margin bonus on the first deposit. This means that if you deposit $1,000, you get $500 of extra credit. Of course, this is not withdrawable extra cash balance, this is extra margin. While I don't think this would be necessary when you start with the Architect, it definitely adds a critically important buffer to your margin. Essentially, your balance would be 50% more than your original starting capital. It is important to know that every deposit up until $1,000 gets a 50% credit, and everything above will bring you 10% extra. So if your first deposit is $2,000, it means that you will get your $500 for the first 1K, and then you will get $100 for the remaining 1K, and your total bonus will be $600. So this is why I'm saying that this combination of $1,000 deposit on Ultima with a $500 bonus is basically maxing out the extra credit ratio. It is so great that it feels like cheating, except it's not. The thing to understand about Ultima is that they use the trading infrastructure of Vantage, which is a pretty reliable broker. They are fast with plenty of liquidity, so trading is also quite alright with them. I have been using Ultima for a couple of months now and I see no red flags, they are quite decent, so I'm keeping my Architect Challenge account with them. So why am I so hyped about all this? The latest version of the Architect provides a potential which is unparalleled in the market. With this extra 50% margin on your books, there is a good chance to set the starter account on a trajectory which will produce massive growth on the long run. In the beginning, the returns are quite impressive. I mean, it's not uncommon for the Architect to grind out around 10% of profits per month or sometimes even more. Obviously, with a growing account, risk would also need to be reduced and month-over-month profits would decrease. Still, if I had to start an automated trading account today with limited funds, this is the way I would do it. Use the latest Architect, max out the broker bonus, and let the thing run. This is a clear solution for everyone who would like to get into algorithmic trading but doesn't want to risk a bigger account. Alright guys, this was the extraordinary video about the new version of the Architect being combined with the banger bonus system. If you have $1,000 of risk capital, you can easily bump it up with an additional 50% in credits. If you register with Ultima and don't see your extra credit, just reach out to me and I will try to sort it out for you. Next time, I will reveal my own trading bot that I created using the Architect, and some other exciting content is also coming soon. Drop me a comment if you have any questions. Until then, take care. Big Money out.